Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, my friends, and I just wanted to show you a quick Costco haul. Here we go. So my friends, I got to show you this. This is a new find to me. This is fully cooked, guys. Dumplings. I guess Asian inspired meal. And when we do order food from one of our favorite places, we usually grab, guys, that. And so we saw this at Costco, and the guys are $9.99 for the sesame ginger chicken, and we're gonna try this and we're gonna review it and let you guys know how we like these ones versus when we order them, right? So those are, guys, from Costco. You know, we can't do without getting our basil plant-based butter from Costco. This is basil butter, and there's two of the big huge containers in there, and this is $13.49 for two of them, and this is plant-based margarine. Okay, and we got those ones. So we bought iced tea as well. I'm going to list the prices of everything down below, my friends, as I go through it. So we bought some raspberry iced tea drink just to make some nice juice and try to maybe experiment with some lovely drinks. We bought olive oil, one of these big jugs, and this is extra virgin olive oil. We got some of that. And I mean, my friends, I'm out of almost every single thing in the house. So, you know, Miss Vicky's sea salt and malt vinegar chips. These are good with a nice dip. My nails need to be done, but just ignore that. I also got some half and half cream, my friends. We got this the last time, and as I said, good price to get it at Costco. Anywhere else, the price is ridiculous. And honestly, guys, this is a whole lot of money I spent today because I'm out of everything. I got some of these nice mini chocolate chip cookies. They're in individual bags. These are nice to take to work or school for a snack. And yeah, this is 30 pouches in here. Good price for this as well. And I got myself some 100% coconut water, and I like to drink coconut water when I'm really thirsty and I just want something different. And I find this coconut water almost tastes like you're actually picking a fresh coconut from a tree, honestly. You know what, people are probably going to say it's not the same, but honestly, when I'm drinking this, it just feels so refreshing, so nice. Okay, and let's carry on. I got myself some beans. I have a recipe of how to cook these beans, and I'm hoping to do a lot of salads this week again. So yeah, it's going well with the salad and meat. And I also bought one of these cases of Caesar salad. These are such a quick and easy way to complete a meal, my friends, when you're in a hurry. It's nice to have one of these, and you see the price there, so I don't have to list that one. And of course, you remember this kale salad. Can't go to Costco without getting some kale salad. Yummy salad. My girls love a good curry shrimp, so I always buy this package shrimp. Got myself some nice fresh strawberries. These are nice and big, and honestly, my friends, this is a great thing to buy to bring for your lunch as well. Nice fresh strawberries, and it's delicious when I'm driving an hour to work in the morning. I get to snack on some nice fruits. I always buy my Dawn soap, these ones, at Costco as well, and this was on sale, and so I just bought myself two. As I said, my friends, I'm out of everything, including dishwasher soap. Isn't that a little bit sad? I don't know what's happening, and everything is just seems so way overpriced and everything. So yeah. Now this is the 828 milliliters, and sometimes if you do go to Walmart, you can find you know, one of those huge bottles for the same price as this. But yeah, I always seem to buy them at Costco because I know when they're on sale, they're at a really decent price. So yeah, okay, so here, and remember, yeah, so I always get my cheese now, and I'm kind of sticking to getting this already shredded cheese because it's just, you know, I just like the convenience of it. And we always get one. We're starting to get one of these vegetable trays at Costco as well. It's always look fresh. Has the broccoli, the carrot, some cherry tomatoes in it, and then some snow peas, and it always look fresh. It also has a dip in the middle, like a ranch yogurt dip. So yeah, and it seems to last a little bit longer. Always looks fresh from Costco. Got some clementines, and these are also good to bring to work as well. And depends on when you go to Costco, they always give you a sample of something, and we got the sample from Costco. Also for your washing machine. Got some nuts. Nuts is also another good one to pack when you're going to lunch. If your workplace is a nut-free environment, and you have to rethink that. And you know, I can't go to Costco without grabbing my Kirkland brand of 100% Colombian coffee. Now, this price is becoming ridiculous, but so is everything else. And I just want to show you guys one more thing. And it's this. So, as I told you before, we're doing a lot of salads and meat in this house, and kind of chilling a little bit on the carb stuff. And we found this. Costco was 20 bucks for 10 servings of smoked salmon, ready to serve, pre-sliced and everything, and easy to use. So we're gonna be doing some nice soya or nice teriyaki style smoked salmon for dinner with some salad, and I think it's a good price. Yeah, I've never seen this before in this package, so I'm a little bit taken back by it, and I'll let you guys know how that goes as well. Yeah, but it was a little bit pricey, but yeah. Yeah, smoked salmon singles. So, I don't know. Let me know if you guys have tried this one before, from Costco's Reserve singles. And these are nice, fresh salmon. And the thing with at Costco, it has lots of variety of salmon. You have your pickings when you go fresh, frozen, semi-frozen, anywhere in between, right? So, yeah, check it out. So this is, yeah, I thought this was a great find, a new find for me, and this also. So we're gonna review these and let you know what we think. And let's grab the meats and stuff. When I go to Costco, I try to get maybe the basic stuff. So I bought myself some drumsticks, and this, as you can see, the price there for about 18. Yeah, so this is the price, $18.06. Now there's quite a few pieces in here, my friends. This lasts me for quite a while. I can get quite a few dinners out of this, and I like to bake mines, fry mines, and I do chop it up sometimes to curry it and stuff. So it's a good price to get them like this. I think they last a little bit longer. And I do have a recipe I'm gonna link below to my apricot chicken, so you can take a look at that. I got myself some chicken breast as well, and here's the price. And even this too, I think I might be able to get maybe three meals out of this, depending I like to make my big salad with this. There's also a recipe. I'm going to put a link below to that one as well. And yeah, so I always pick up chicken breast at Costco. Everything always looks so fresh at Costco, my friends. This is why sometimes I don't mind spending the money on it, right? And yeah, and I bought white sugar. And yeah, Costco sugars also always has good pricing for this big bag of sugar. And basically that's it. And of course my Oasis Juice, always pick up one of those, right? This is just makes great lunch. 50, you get a variety pack with different flavors as well. And when I have to go to work, school, do well with having all these stuff, right? Or the juices and stuff. So that's basically it, my friends. Thank you. That's my Costco haul. And yeah, it just cost a pretty penny. When you go to Costco, you can't just grab one thing and get out. You end up spending more money than you intended to. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching, my friends. Go ahead and say it. This is my time and I deserve something better. Thanks for watching.